The J.D. Power verified consumer ratings for reliable SUVs are in, and Toyota is nowhere to be found, not even at second or third place, which is a shocker considering the reputation of Toyota as reliable. But this year, the consumers took a different turn and pushed to make names like GMC, Chevy, and Nissan on top. In this video, we'll take you through why the Toyota SUVs didn't get crowned as reliable this year. And as a cherry on top, we'll share with you the top 3 SUVs that were crowned. Before we start believing J.D. Power's verdict, it's important to know how they made this informed decision. J.D. Power conducts surveys that cover all aspects of ownership, from the first 3 months to the first 3 years. This feedback is then categorized into specific price ranges and car sizes, ensuring an accurate comparison among vehicles. Once they've collected the data, J.D. Power crunches the numbers, and ratings are calculated based on the distance between a specific model attribute and the average score of the same category or peer group. The resulting J.D. Power consumer verified ratings provide an overall rating for each model per year, as well as sub-ratings for quality and reliability, driving experience, resale value, and dealership experience. With every detail carefully considered, J.D. Power's ratings are the ultimate guide to finding the best SUV for your needs, and we can say that they know what they're doing. Now, this year, Toyota surprised the world with a redesign of their infamous Sequoia SUV. This full-size, 3-row SUV has been a favorite for decades, and the 2023 model year brings a major upgrade. The new Sequoia comes with a powerful iForce Max hybrid powertrain, a 3.4-liter V6 engine, and an electric motor, which gives the SUV a total of 437 horsepower, making it one of the most capable on the road. The interior is equally impressive, with a large touchscreen and seating for up to 8 passengers. But as with all things, there are some drawbacks. The Sequoia's interior space and cargo area are limited, which can hamper its practicality. And while the fuel economy is impressive relative to its competitors, the maximum EPA combined rating of 22 mpg isn't exactly impressive. Ultimately, the new Sequoia is an exciting addition to the full-size SUV market, but it's not without its flaws. Still, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful SUV that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Sequoia is definitely worth a closer look. But because we're looking at J.D. Power's large SUV ranking, it makes sense not to include the 2023 Toyota Sequoia. Instead, we need to acknowledge the other car manufacturers that have continuously improved the specs and features of their vehicles to steal Toyota's thunder as the most reliable vehicle. Let's start with the 2023 Nissan Armada, which took the 3rd spot in JD's rankings. With a massive 400 horsepower V8 engine, this SUV has plenty of power to spare, making it a great choice for those who need to tow heavy loads. And with its rear or 4-wheel drive options, the Armada is a versatile vehicle that can handle any terrain. But the Armada isn't just about power, it's also a vehicle of entertainment and luxury. With 3 rows of seating and an impressive array of features, this SUV is a true barge of poshness. And at the upper end of the trim levels, the Armada takes things to a whole new level. Quilted leather heated seats, headrest-mounted display screens, and open-pore wood trim pieces all add up to create a vehicle with a bit of Bentley energy. While the Armada may not be the best of the Mondo SUV bunch when compared to competitors like the Chevy Tahoe, Jeep Wagoneer, or Ford Expedition, it more than holds its own. Recent updates have given the Armada freshened up styling and even more power, making it an even more compelling choice. Sure, big power requires solutions by the gallon. But when you're driving a vehicle as strikingly charming as the Nissan Armada, who cares? Dethroning Nissan and Toyota is the Chevy Suburban, which took the number 2 spot. With its 87-year history, the Suburban is a living legend in the automotive world. The 12th generation of this body-on-frame behemoth offers seating for up to 8 passengers, a massive cargo space, and a towing capacity that would make a semi-truck blush. Under the hood, you'll find a standard 355 horsepower V8. But if that's not enough, there's an optional 277 horsepower inline-6 turbo diesel or a 420 horsepower gas V8 to choose from. all engines come with a 10-speed automatic transmission that feels like it's reading your mind. Plus, you can opt for rear or four-wheel drive, except for the off-road focused Z71 trim, which is four-wheel drive only. The interior might not be the most exciting thing you've ever seen, but the available 10.2-inch touchscreen is quick and easy to use. And when it comes to cargo space, the Suburban's got it all. With 20 cubic feet more than the Jeep Wagoneer, you'll have room for all your gear and then some. It's no wonder the Suburban took the second spot in J.D. Power's ranking. It's a true legend and keeps getting better with age. Now, the number one spot was actually taken by two automakers. They ranked equally in the JD rankings and truly deserve this position. The first is the GMC Yukon. General Motors' GMC division has crafted a family SUV that's as spacious as it is luxurious, with 3 rows of seats that offer roomy comfort for everyone. And if that's not enough, you can upgrade to the Yukon XL and enjoy even more cargo space. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful V8 engine, either 5.3 or 6.2 liters in size, that can really get this bad boy moving. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for something truly unique, the Turbo Diesel 3-liter inline 6 is also available, making the Yukon the only SUV in its class to offer this engine. And boy does it deliver. Towing capacity and acceleration are both top-notch, but let's be honest, fuel efficiency isn't the Yukon's strong suit. Now, let's talk about the luxurious features that the Yukon brings to the table. The base SLE trim is hardly basic, with a host of convenience and technology features offered as standard. But if you want to really indulge, the upscale Denali trim will knock your socks off. Think of it as the Cadillac Escalade's younger, cooler cousin. And speaking of the Escalade, the Yukon is giving it a run for its money in terms of luxury and style. And finally, the car that dethrones most of the automakers in the most reliable large SUV category, the 2023 Chevy Tahoe, the undisputed king of the SUV world. What really sets it apart is how it handles the road. You won't find a more agile ride in this class of vehicles. The Tahoe also delivers the power you need to tackle any challenge. With 3 engine options to choose from, including a 420 horsepower V8 and a turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel, the Tahoe can tow heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Even the base LS model comes with all the latest infotainment and driver assistance features, so you can stay connected and safe on the road. And for those who like to venture off-road, the Z71 model is the perfect choice, with its 2-speed transfer case, adjustable air suspension, and all-terrain tires. If you want a truly luxurious experience, the Premier and High Country models will make you feel like royalty. Of course, you'll pay a little extra for all that opulence, but it's worth every penny. So why does the Tahoe deserve the top spot in JD Power ranking? Simple, it's the complete package. From its spacious interior to its powerful engines, from its agile handling to its advanced technology, the Tahoe has everything you need to take on the world. Even if Toyota didn't make it in the large SUV category, they still reign supreme in the realm of reliability according to J.D. Power's US dependability study. That's right, Toyota's luxury brand Lexus took the crown for the most reliable brand, with an impressive score of 133 problems per 100 vehicles. Toyota itself came in 7th with 168 problems per 100 vehicles, but that's still pretty good. And when it comes to the most dependable family vehicles in the Toyota lineup, it's a tie between the Toyota CHR and the Lexus RX, both with an impressive 111 PP100. So while the Sequoia may not have made the cut, Toyota still upholds its reputation for manufacturing reliable vehicles that can stand the test of time. In fact, Toyota had 6 of the most reliable vehicles across different segments, including the Lexus NX, Lexus RX, Toyota CHR, Toyota Highlander, Toyota Sienna, and Toyota Tacoma, taking top spots in categories like compact premium SUV, midsize premium SUV, small SUV, upper midsize SUV, minivan, and midsize pickup. So even if they didn't take home the crown in the large SUV ranking, Toyota still proves to be a reliable choice for drivers across the board. But if you're still having your heart set on the 2023 Toyota Sequoia, we should tell you that it did rank in the large SUV category, just by someone else. According to the ranking on Car and Driver, Toyota ranks 7th best in the large SUV category. Topping that list is the luxurious Chevy Tahoe, the accommodating GMC Yukon and Yukon XL, and the spacious Chevy Suburban. Then there's the rugged Jeep Wagoneer and Wagoneer L, and the powerful Ford Expedition and Expedition Max, all designed to conquer any terrain. And finally, the Toyota Sequoia at 7th. So you can say that it still holds its own with its reliability and durability. So, as an SUV enthusiast, will you be choosing Toyota or go for GM, Chevy, or Ford who made the list? Let us know in the comments section below. And thanks for watching.